The Secretary-General of Association of Southeast Asian Nations, Kao Kim Horn, said Timor-Leste is now part of a regional single market and production base following its full membership in ASEAN last year. Speaking after meeting Prime Minister Shanana Gusmong in Dili, Kao Kim Horn said Timor-Leste is no longer only a domestic market of around 1.5 million people, but is now connected to a regional market of nearly 700 million consumers. He highlighted that Timor-Leste's integration into ASEAN is expected to increase investment, tourism, trade, and regional connectivity, creating long-term economic opportunities for the country.
Its leadership, Timor-Leste has been able to become a full member of ASEAN and therefore completing our enlargement of ASEAN membership started last year. But this year is a very special moment because AGENCY just attended the 48th ASEAN Summit where AGENCY made a very important contribution to the discussions of the leaders. And this is the first time in ASEAN that we amended the ASEAN Charter to allow Timor-Leste to come in. This is very historic. But of course, we discussed also the desired interest of Timor-Leste to become the chair of ASEAN in 2029 after becoming a full member of ASEAN, because politically, right after Philippines will be Singapore next year, 2027, and then Thailand in 2028, and the next T will be TL will be 2029. This is our political order that we have, but we have confidence in Timor-Leste under the able leadership of the Prime Minister, and Timor-Leste has made significant progress and success in becoming part of the ASEAN family, and all ASEAN member states have been expressing full support for Timor-Leste. And my working visit here is to strengthen the relations between the Secretary and Timor-Leste, which we're very much proud of Timor-Leste, and we believe that Timor-Leste will become part of the ASEAN single market production base, which of course right now we are on path to become a single market production base, because Timor-Leste is not just 1.6 million market size, but Timor-Leste is being part of the almost 7 million market size. And this is very significant in that regard. And we look forward to increasing more investment, more tourism, more trade, more connectivity, which of course Timor-Leste will be enjoyed in the future, of course from now and moving forward. But I believe we are, of course also I congratulate the AGENCY Prime Minister on the 24th anniversary of the independence days of Timor-Leste. It's a great nation, we have great people here. So this is Prime Minister. Thank you.
The ASEAN Secretary-General also expressed confidence in Timor-Leste's preparations to chair ASEAN in 2029, praising the country's progress since officially becoming the bloc's 11th member in October 2025.